Wow!
Hi guys, it's me again, Shine. I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna unboxing my new Apple Watch Series 3 Silver Aluminum Sport Band White. Ito siya guys. Ayan. And see this one. It is the box looks like super white siya, super clear. Ayan. So, we're gonna open this one, guys. I'm gonna cut this. Slide lang. Ayan. Designed by Apple in California. Ito guys, may naka-stretch dyan. Designed in California. So you can see that one. So let's see what you can see now. Here it is. But we need to check first this one. What's inside? Inside here is the manual and the information, the warranty for the first timer. How to use it. This is the manual. What else? This one, guys. In Arabic, the other one is English. And another paper, I cannot understand what is it. And bakit matigas siya? Hindi siya matanggal. Ito pala siya. Ayun. There is an extra strap for the watch and another extra for the charger. This is the one. You know why I choose white? That is my favorite color. And by the way guys, the available color Apple Watch Series 3 is black and white only. So I choose white since it is my favorite color. So underneath we got the Apple Watch. Wow, so nice. Ayan, ang ganda siya guys. And bagay din siya sa uniform ko since I'm wearing always white. Ayun. So nice. Remove na natin yung plastic. And since medyo mahirap siya tanggalin. Wait lang guys ha. Ito na siya guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.